Hello guys, hello, good morning, happy new week. I hope everyone is good. All right, today is site day for me again, and I just came in to check what the electrician is doing. We are at the verge of handing over this project that we're given to do. We started this project, we started it in, I think it was June last year, and yeah, we started from the DPC level, and we're here today and hoping to round up this week totally and hand over to the clients. We're contracted to just build the carcass. So at this point, we're done with the carcass. We're doing the last. Hi Alamide, how are you? Morning. Morning. We're doing the last work remaining, and that's the electrical piping in the ceiling. We've been done with the ones on the wall, but we needed to roof it first before we complete the electrical piping. So we just roofed, and we're trying to complete the electrical piping, and then we'll pack our kaya and be going. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and you can see the people working. That's my special electrician. Wale, why are you squeezing your face?
Squeeze face.
All right.
The face is very common.
View. So this parlor, how many lights are we having? This is a parlor, right? Yeah, this is a common area. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Then one center. The center is either for chandelier or something, or maybe fan. Chandelier. Oh, fan cannot work there. It depends on what the person wants. Okay. All right, so you can see the pipes in the ceiling. Yep. This is what it will look like before whoever the owner is will do his ceiling, whatever ceiling type the person wants to do, maybe POP or gypsum boards or whatever, or suspended ceiling, whatever it is, you know, it will eventually cover all this, and then the wires will run through these pipes.
So some things that come with being on site as a woman, or for me personally, is that sometimes or most of the times I'm alone as a woman on site. I'm alone, you don't see any other woman. Sometimes in the whole estate, in the whole vicinity, I won't see any other woman except myself. And that's why it's important that you have your team, people you trust to work with you. If you watched the last video I made, I spoke about building your team. So when you have your team, the issue of being the only woman on site is ruled out. So for me now, most times I'm able to be comfortable with my workers because these are people I've known over a while. So it's not a big deal. But yeah, as you can see, being the only woman hanging around.
And you know, this one I speak now, I try.
No, you try. I give it to you.
I told her to nine back. I think if you get a job for coming up, I do not at least. I will use this one.
Money? What now? What now? Eh. We've come thus far. Grateful to God for how He's helped us come this far. Honestly, to build a structure of this size, it's not easy. This is a semi-detached duplex, so you have 4-bedroom duplex together in a place. So 2 4-bedroom duplex, and we built it from DPC level, that's after foundation, and we brought it to this phase where we're able to do all the block work, all the slab work, all the column work, beams and all that. We've been able to roof, and like I said, we're rounding up on the electrical piping. We've since done the plumbing, piping, but at this time we're trying to round up the electrical piping so we can hand over the building to the owner. So I'm just really grateful that we've come thus far, and this was done in about 8 months. But I mean, story buildings are like that. I mean, aside the issue of payment that delays when you're done with one phase, you need to await payment before you continue. Also, the issue of curing, you have to build, when you do some concrete work, like the slab work, you need to allow it cure before you continue work. So sometimes story buildings take a little longer than if it's just a bungalow. But yeah, grateful, grateful, grateful. I really hope and trust to round up this, to hand over this site this week totally. I know I'm done from this place and I'm out. Yeah.
So guys, thank you for watching my video. What would you want me to talk about or to show you in the next video? Please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.